Well, this is my first try printing 3D print because, well, these are supposed to be the. These were supposed to be those little things, that you put on the Croc things. Because Zoe got a little Croc bag, and she said, "Why don't you print some of these up?" But I think I did something wrong. Aren't they supposed to? Oh, that's no fun. I don't know if I did it right or not. So they're supposed to. Oh well, this is how we learn. Oh no. Wonder. Let me find out. Let's see. Maybe it's encased somehow. I'm not so confused. Can I take this off? I'm guessing they're encased. I'm not sure. Is it? Hoping I'm not breaking this. I'm not sure what I'm doing, but I think. Oh, okay. I think I figured it out. Oh, there are the buttons! Yay! I thought I did it wrong because I thought I did it wrong, but I think these are just. How are they doing this? I'm wondering because they said I could do this. How? That's a pin in a butt. You have to separate these little buttons. I get it. Oh my god, that's a pain. I have to do it for all the letters? Oh my god, there's got to be a better way. There's got to be an easier way. Am I doing this wrong? Is this right? Okay. If I just peel it off, maybe? Because they're supposed to be buttons. But I'm not sure if I'm doing this right. So I'm kind of just playing it by ear. I think. Well, this is all part of learning how to do this. Because they all look the same. Okay. All right. Alright, so got these letters, and they're supposed to be the little push pins for the Crocs, but they printed up as, I guess I should have taken it out as soon as it was done printing. I'm not sure, but here we are. I think I'm doing this right. I hope that I'm doing this right. Okay. Oh. Well, whoever made this pin up. Oh my god, this is a lot. Maybe do 2 of these, maybe? Still learning. Venture left, figure this out. Oh my god. Alright. Maybe. There we go. I need robot arms to take this apart. This is a lot of work. Here they figured this out to print this up. Oh my gosh. I think I'm doing this wrong. Well, that's how you learn. Oh, there's the button. This is a lot of work to take this apart. I think that would make, I don't know. Maybe, okay, there's the letter. There's the, oh my gosh. There's got to be an easier way. The housing. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, we're finally getting to the bottom. The button part of it. Oh, that was a lot of work. There's the button. All right. I found it. So there's Q and the button, it's in the encasing. So I just have to, oh gosh, tear all of these. There's got to be an easier way. But no, that's pretty solid. That's pretty solid. There's a Q. There's little buttons for the Crocs. You would think this little casing... Oh! But here we are. All right. I just hold it on with one pair of pliers. I can imagine if you didn't have pliers and try to take these apart. It's got to be an easier way. But here we are. Bamboo Lab itself, printers are easy to use. But finding out what prints work for me, or the things that I want to print up, is the learning curve. But that's part of the fun, is learning how to do this. So here I am printing these Croc letters for her Croc bag. And enjoying it. I'm enjoying doing this. Oh. All right. Keep going with this, taking things apart. All right. That's it. It's really cool. But here we are. All right. I'll keep going. Let y'all know how this goes. But like I said, I thought I did it wrong, but it's correct. But once you tear the little casing that it's in, it's actually the button. So that's always a good thing. But I'm going to start taking all these apart, because once you take the little casing, it's actually the buttons underneath there. It's really cool, but I thought they would do a little bit better job at trying to get these buttons out. So they're in there. They're in their encasements. So as you can see here, I have to tear all of this off to try to get the button out. I guess they do that to make it tougher, I guess, but it's a lot of work to just get it out. I'll find a way. There's got to be a way. But here's another print. These are all really good. Good times. Yes. Good job, Bamboo. Doing an awesome job.